I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you've had to deal with a cancelled event on Ticketmaster, getting your refund can be a bit tricky. Here is a straightforward guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Check your email. Look for any communication from Ticketmaster regarding the cancellation. They usually send out emails with instructions on how to proceed. Step 2. Log into your Ticketmaster account. Go to the Ticketmaster website and log into your account. Make sure you use the same account you used to purchase the tickets. Step 3. Find your order. Navigate to your order history and locate the cancelled event. Click on the order to view the details. Step 4. Request your refund. Follow the prompts to request your refund. You may need to confirm your payment method or provide additional information. Step 5. Monitor your refund status. After submitting your refund request, keep an eye on your email for updates. Refunds can take several days to process, so be patient. Just a heads up, sometimes refunds can take longer than expected, especially during busy periods. If you don't see a refund after a week, it might be worth reaching out to customer service. I hope this helps you get your money back quickly. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.